Let's have a look how to calibrate reference frequency on the Usdx Chinese radios, or even the true Usdx, the original. To tune your frequency on the Usdx, first get onto the reverse beacon network.net and select a band that you will be testing on, the mode that you will be testing on. It's the best if you can put it on the CV and some long distance band that can be heard all around the place. And on the spotted column you put your call sign. After that you go to the menu 8.3 and see what is your reference frequency. This is the reference frequency. You select CV on the mode over here, select empty frequency on the, let's say, 20 meter band, and go to the menu 4.2 CQ message, put in your call sign and the test. You can do that just by pressing here, and you will see a little dash under the number. You select it, confirm, and go to the next one, and so on and so on, selecting the number. Then just continue until you are finished. And get out of this menu. Now we have to go back to the 20 meter. There we go. I was on 29. When you are in the 4.2 menu and you have your call sign and everything, just press shortly the menu button and you can hear it transmitting your call sign and a test, as you can see on the top. You do this 2-3 times. Good. Now you check on the reverse beacon network if you have been heard. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes to get heard, and we have it. As you can see, we were on 14.029 and now we are on we were transmitting on 14.29.0, and it says here that we have been heard on 14.29.3, so we have to adjust our reference frequency. We go to the menu, find the reference frequency, there we go, select it, and just go one way. Let's go up to 800, let's say. There, confirm. Now we go to the menu again, to the CQ message, and transmit again. time. Then we go to the reverse beacon network and see if somebody heard us. Again, we have to wait for a minute or two and see what's happening. Okay, we have been heard on 1429.1, so we have to go more up. We are going in the right direction, and let's repeat the process. Menu, reference frequency. Let's go 200 up. So if you have to lower your frequency, you go up on the reference frequency. So 27. Then again go to the menu, find the CQ message and transmit. One more time. And again, let's see on the reverse beat. And that's it. We have been heard exactly on 1429.0. So we have calibrated our reference frequency. Well, that's it. That's how you calibrate your reference frequency. Don't forget to subscribe.